how to rearrange pages in Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to rearrange pages in Microsoft Word. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the method 1, that is to use the navigation pane. So here first open the document in the Microsoft Word, and after that you can just scroll down, and there you can just click on the View tab at the top. So here simply click on View tab, and after that you can simply enable the navigation pane option. So here simply check on the navigation pane option, and after that on the left hand side you can just click on headings to rearrange the section, and the pages will move with them. And with that, moving forward to the method 2, that is to cut and paste the pages. So here if your document does not use headings, then here you can manually move pages. So here what you can do is you can just highlight all the text on the pages that you want to move. So here highlight all the pages text, and after that what you can do is you can just press Ctrl plus X to cut the text, and after that you can simply press your cursor where you want the page to appear. So here you can just go on this, and here you can just press Ctrl plus V to paste it, and the text will shift to that page. And with that, moving forward to the method 3, that is to use the outline view. So the another option is to go to the View tab, and now here under the View tab you'll see the option labeled as Outline View. So there you can simply click on the outline view, and here after that in the section you'll see that you can easily move section up and down in your documents. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.